Welcome to the Silver Reports Weekly Wrap-Up, where we take a look at a few of the biggest stories that impacted the financial markets over the past week. On Monday, the Dow closed up 354 points. Investors were hoping that Black Friday and Cyber Monday could get the market out of its slide. In news that moved the markets on Monday, the UK seized Facebook documents related to a lawsuit in California and the company's privacy issues. And General Motors announced plans to slash jobs and close plants. The White House wasn't too happy about the news. On Tuesday, the Dow closed up 108 points. In news that moved the markets on Tuesday, the president said tariffs could be placed on iPhones and laptops imported from China. Apple was down slightly. In other news from the White House, the president threatened to cut government subsidies to General Motors after they announced their cost-cutting plans. And United Technology announced plans to break the company into three parts. On Wednesday, the Dow closed up 617 points. Investors were excited by Fed Chairman Powell stating interest rates are just below neutral. In earnings news, Box beat EPS estimates by a penny and revenue estimates by $1.3 million. Dick's Sporting Goods beat EPS estimates by 13 cents but missed on revenue by $20 million. And Tiffany's beat EPS estimates by a penny but missed on revenue by $40 million. On Thursday, the Dow closed down 27 points. All eyes were on the G20 Summit in hopes of a resolution to the trade wars. In earnings news, Ambarella beat EPS estimates by 12 cents and revenue estimates by $200,000. Palo Alto Networks beat EPS estimates by 12 cents and revenue estimates by $23.8 million. GameStop beat EPS estimates by 67 cents and reported revenue of $2 billion for the quarter. And Dollar Tree beat EPS estimates by 4 cents but missed on revenue by $10 million. On Friday, the Dow closed up 199 points. Investors were optimistic about a possible trade deal getting ironed out between the US and China. In other news, Microsoft surpassed Apple as the most valuable publicly traded company, and Marriott announced that hackers had access to its Starwood guest reservations database since 2014, potentially exposing data of 500 million guests. Overall, the markets were up this week. Is this the start of a rally or just a pullback in a much bigger decline? We'll have to wait and see. In crypto news, Bitcoin has continued to fall this week and was trading at $3,920 at the time of this recording. It appears a $4,000 price area is holding as support. Ethereum was trading at $111.50, Litecoin was trading at $31.52, and Ripple was trading at 35 cents. Crude oil ended November at $51.45 per barrel, the biggest one-month loss for crude oil in 10 years. It's been a terrible 2 months for the oil bulls. A big winner for the week, Gritstone Ecology Incorporated, GRTS, which saw a 23% increase this week. A big loser for the week, AmTrust Financial Services, AFST, which lost 24% during the week. Are you signed up for our In Focus article? Every Sunday we take a look at a company or companies that made the news the previous week, and we give our opinion on whether the company is a buy, sell, or a hold. Before you hit the buy or sell button on Monday, you should check out In Focus. A link to sign up is in the description below. Thanks again for checking out the Silver Reports Weekly Wrap-Up. This channel is dedicated to anyone who wants to start investing but doesn't know how or where to start. If you have any questions, ask in the comments section, like and subscribe, and may your next investment be your best investment. See you next week.